I'm going to cut the lettering out by using the funky lettering. I have uppercase and lowercase. You roll your paste nice and fine. Make sure it moves on your board, that's quite important. Place your cutter on, place your fingers onto the letter that you wish to have and move. Once you know, you hold the paste so that you can push away and your letters into your cutter. Nice and neat and clean. Any letter that has something inside, as in inside here, you can remove while it's still in the cutter. Much easier to do instead of taking the letter out of the cutter and then doing it afterwards. I then just hold the cutter with a bit of space underneath, and then I just tap. If I tap like so, it just folds onto the board. And again, tap and folds.